How to pay later on Temu app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about paying later on Temu. So now let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your Temu application and add the items that you want to buy in your cart. Now go to checkout section. Now scroll down and choose the pay later provider. Example, Klarna, which you will find between PayPal and Afterpay. Or you can also use Afterpay and Zip if it's available. You may need to provide basic details before approval, and then review and confirm. You may also need to log into your Klarna, Afterpay, or Zip account and check the installment breakdown, for example, 4 payments every 2 weeks, and then tap on Place Order. Your first payment may be due to immediately depending on the provider. The remaining payments will be automatically deducted as per the schedule. Note that not all the users will have the pay later option as it depends on the location and eligibility. Later payments may result in fees or penalties from the pay later service. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.